Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I pulled out these gorgeous, stunning snowflake molds and some alcohol inks. I want to do petri dish, but I don't want it to be like a solid petri dish, if that makes sense. I want it to be see-through. I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, let me just say that right off the bat. I don't know if this is going to work. I do have my white, but I've also got, I'm throwing that thing around. I've also got the rainbow alcohol ink as well. I want to drop in enough to get the color in there, but not enough that it becomes opaque on the back. So I've got my resin warming up. This is going to be quick and easy. I was trying something different and that didn't exactly work out, so then I had to switch, change plans. Yeah, so I don't know. We're going to try it and see what it does. So quick intro, quick video probably. So sit back and let's enjoy. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I'm testing out a theory with these two. And then these two I just kind of chucked in. They're going to look terrible, just so you know. But I know that some of you like these bonus unmoldings, so, you know. I gotta do it for the fans. Whoops. These look terrible. Okay. Well, I mean, other than the fact that they're kind of stuck together, they don't look good. Okay. This is what I was really wanting to see, was how these would turn out. Ooh, that's cool. What do you think? Oh, I like it. Obviously, I didn't fill it up all the way. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. This one's tinted a little blue. The base of these, by the way, was poured around Halloween time, so it's been a while. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. This was meant to be today's video. Not these, but like these were meant to be today's video. It'll be coming. I'm working on it. But yeah, these turned out really cool. I like how they look. You know, other than the fact that this is huge comparative. But yeah, okay. That's today's very weird and random bonus unmolding. Okay, so these are done. I can already tell you that this did not go as planned. Even though I only did... Wait, did I do 1 or 2 layers of ink? I think I only did 1 layer of ink, but I'm not sure. But I can just tell from this side that they are going to be darker than I wanted. But, you know, hey, this is why we try things and learn whether they work or not. I'm mostly excited to see how the glitter did. Oh, wow. Okay. Sorry. I'm being stingy right now, guys. I'm holding it up to my light. You can see through it, but it's very interesting. Yeah, not what I was going for at all. The centers are what I was going for, but I don't know how well you guys are even going to be able to see those. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. You can kind of see the texture, especially right in here. That's the kind of texture I was going for. It's really pretty. Very pretty. I don't hate these. I do not hate these. These will be going to my work with me. So my coworkers can just take them home if they want them. Okay. Oh no. I accidentally encased one of my hairs in it. That's beautiful, actually. I really like that one. And again, you can kind of see that texture coming through. See it right in there? Do you see it, or am I crazy? I might be crazy, which is fine. Okay. Ew. That's so weird. This one did like an interesting thing that this one didn't do. It's like the ink didn't sink. It just kind of swirled. I don't even, you're not going to see it on camera. I don't even know why I'm trying to show you it on camera, because you're not going to see it on camera. I do have a little bit of trimming to do. But other than that, this was a fun experiment. Let me show you guys what I mean when I say I wanted the light to be able to go through it. The light does go through it, okay? I'm trying to block out the main lights. The light does go through it. I didn't want it to be completely opaque like your, what do they call it? Petri dish pours would typically be, right? So they do have some transparency. That's the word. Words are hard, you know. I'm perimenopausal, so words are hard. Anyway, yes. These did not turn out exactly like I wanted, but I think they're very pretty either way. I'm sure my coworkers will just love to take these home. So don't worry, they're not going to go to waste or anything. I never throw any of these things out, by the way. I just give them away. And, you know, people never see the defects in it that we see as artists. All right. I'm going to try and be better about not talking down about my work. They're very, very pretty. Not exactly what I was going for, but that's okay. Anyway, that is today's video. Sorry, it's a weird one. I don't know. Yes, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.